Welcome to Respro Academy audio lessons. Before we start with the lesson, let me ask you a question. Which one is correct? I a student or I am a student? If you're not sure about the answer, then this lesson is for you. Let's begin with the lesson.
Welcome back. Every day we meet new people. These simple questions help us identify who they are and build meaningful conversations. In today's lesson, let us learn how to answer these questions. Who are you? Who is he? Who is she? Who is it? And who are they? Using the following structures: I am, he is, she is, it is, they are. These structures are used to identify people and understand who we are talking about. Now, let's understand where we use am, is, and are. We use them to tell who someone is, ask about people, get to know someone. They link the subject to its identity. When do we use am? We use am only with the subject I. That is, I am. Let's repeat. I am, I am, I am. Excellent. When do we use is? We use is with he, she, it. And when the subject is one person, then we use is. Let's understand where we use are. We use are with subjects like you, we, they, and when the subjects are more than one person or thing, we use are. Now, let's learn the first question. Who are you? We use who are you to ask about a person's identity. When someone asks, who are you? They want to know who you are. Let's look at examples. Question number one: who are you? The answer can be I am Rahul. Here, Rahul is telling us his name. Next example is again the same question: who are you? But we give a different answer: I am a student. Here, the person is telling us what he is or she is. The next example: who are you? The person is identifying their profession, that is, I am a teacher. The next example is who are you? The person is telling us about their educational qualification. I am an MBA graduate. The next one is who are you? I am a football player. The person is telling us about their role or activity. So, in this lesson, the question, who are you, can give you different answers based on their identity. I am. After I am, we can use either our name or our profession or our qualification or our role or our identity. Now, let's learn who is he. We use who is he to ask about a male person. When we want to know who a man or a boy is, we ask who is he. Let's look at some example. When someone asks who is he is Arun. Here we are telling the person's name. Next question: who is he? The answer is he is my brother. Here we are telling the relationship. The next example is who is he? The answer for this is he is a doctor. Here we are telling the person's profession. Next is who is he? He is our manager. Here we are telling the person's role at work. Next example, who is he? He is my neighbor. Here we are telling where the person fits into our daily life. Remember, when we talk about one male person, we use he is followed by name, he is followed by relationship, he is followed by profession. Now let's learn who is she. We use who is she to ask about a female person. The pattern is exactly the same as before. For a man, we say he is. For a woman, we say she is. That's it. Let's see some examples. Who is she? She is Kavya. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is she? She is our principal. Who is she? She is a police officer. Isn't it simple? Now, let's compare. He is Arun. She is Kavya. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. Did you notice something? Here, the structure doesn't change, only he becomes she. Let's learn another useful question. Who is it? Now, think about this situation. Someone knocks on your door. You know a person is there, but you cannot identify who the person is. So, what question do you ask? Who is it? Exactly. We use who is it when a person is present but their identity is unknown to us. Let's see some examples. Who is it? It's the delivery person. Your phone rings. You answer the call, but you don't recognize the voice. Who is it? It's my friend. Someone walks into the classroom. You don't know who the person is. Who is it? It is the principal. Who is it? It is Anita. Who is it? It is the new student. So, if you know a person is there but you cannot identify them, please use the question structure who is it? So far, we learned how to identify one person. Now, let's learn how to identify two or more people. When we want to identify two or more people, we ask who are they? Notice the word are, A R E. We use are because we are talking about more than one person. Let's look at some examples. Who are they? They are students. Who are they? They are teachers. Who are they? They are my friends. Who are they? They are doctors. Who are they? They are our neighbors. When we talk about one person, we use is. When we talk about two or more people, we use are. So, we use the question structure who are they and the answer structure they are. Look at this picture. Let's make this super easy. One person, use is. A group of people, use are. That's it. Before you go, here is your challenge. Practice these examples for just 5 minutes every day. Don't try to learn or memorize everything at once. Master these small sentences first. If you can use these patterns confidently, you will be able to create hundreds of English sentences on your own. And in the next lesson, we will learn another powerful pattern that will help you speak even more naturally. So, keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video. One lesson, one pattern, one step closer to fluency. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future lessons.